poem is called United We Stand, Divided We Fall. We used to be a wonderful nation, full of moralistic respect and tons of compassion. But now it seems like most of us only care about the green dead presidents in our pockets. Now we've become just more like a petty greed station. You'll see it in the news, the papers, and even on television. And if you think about it, you may understand why the old-fashioned folk better appreciate the old days and age. Too much competition is what's making crime rise, because the people on the bottom hardly get enough of what they deserve, which makes them angry to eventually snap because of their rage. Why can't we stick together more and help each other out more to become a better nation? And remember the words that made this nation. Together we stand and divided we fall. Tell me why we can't become more like the nation we used to be. It may have been less high-tech, but at least half of us weren't screaming, all for one and one for all, while racing neck and neck.